Welcome to RDO. I am Devinder. In this video, we will discuss class 10th maths trigonometry. Exercise 11.2 question number 4. Is it right to say cos of 60 plus 30 degrees is equal cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30? We need to check here. What they have mentioned here given cos 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30. You need to calculate these values on the LHS and also RHS. Both are equal or not. If it is equal, you can say it is right. See here, first of all I am writing here, see LHS. LHS is equal to how much? Cos of 60 plus 30. See here, cos of 60 plus 30 how much? 90 degrees. Yes or no? Yes, is equal. Cos 90 value is how much? 0 or not? Yes. LHS is equal to how much? 0. In a similar way, you need to find here RHS also. RHS here, right hand side is equal to, see, you can find it, see, cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30. See here, cos 60 value is how much? Cos 60 value 1 by 2. Yes or no? Yes. 1 by 2 into cos 30 value is how much? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 value is how much? Root 3 by 2 into sin 30 value is how much? 1 by 2. Just you need to simplify here. 1 into root 3 how much? Root 3 by 2 to how much? 4 only, minus root 3 into 1. Root 3 by 2 to how much? 4. See here, root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. How much it is? Both should be cancelled or not? Yes, we should cancel here. Yes or no? Root 3 by 4 and root 3 by 4 both should be cancelled. You will get is how much? 0. See here, RHS also 0. LHS also 0. So that, can you say LHS is equal to RHS or not? Yes. So that you can write here cos of 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30. You can write here, yes, we can say cos 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30. This is your solution. See here, question number 5. In right angle triangle PQR, right angle is at Q. That means here angle Q is equal to how much? 90 degrees. And PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. Angle RPQ is equal to 60 degrees. Determine the lengths of QR and PR. First you can draw a right angle triangle. See here I am taking here, see, right angle triangle. See here they have mentioned right angle is at where? Q. That means this is equal to 90 degrees. You can consider here as Q as vertex. You can take here PQR. PQR is a right angle triangle. See here, PQ is equal to almost 6 centimeters. This will be equal to 6 centimeters. Angle RPQ. RPQ. That means this value, this angle is equal to how many degrees? 60 degrees. Determine the lengths of QR and PR. We need to find here QR and PR. First of all, you can write here given information. I am writing here given that triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Here see angle PQR. That means you can write here angle PQR is equal to 90 degrees. Yes or no? They have mentioned right angle is at Q. That means angle PQR is equal to 90. Next you can write here PQ is equal to 6 centimeters and angle RPQ is equal 60 degrees. You need to find here QR and PR. See, how can you find QR? Once you can observe here, what can I use here? Sine formula, cos formula. Once you can observe here, sine formula can I use or cos formula can I use? See, if I am using sine formula, just you can observe here, if I am using sine formula, sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Are you know hypotenuse? We don't know. If you don't know the two values, how can you find the remaining value? So that don't use sine. See, can you use here cos? See, cos 60 is equal to hypotenuse by, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Yes or no? Cos 60 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. So that you can find easily. See, I am using cos 60. You can write here cos 60 degrees is equal to, what is the adjacent side? PQ. PQ by hypotenuse will be PR. Yes or no? You know that formula. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. See here cos 60 value is how much? Just you can write here. Cos 60 is it root 3 by 2? Is it 1 by 2? 1 by 2 only. You can remember here. Cos 60 will be equal to 1 by 2. PQ value you know. Yes, 6 centimeters by PR you can write here. See, implies you can just do cross multiplication. 1 into PR is how much? PR only is equal to 2 into 6 how much? 12 only. Yes or no? That means PR is equal to how many centimeters? PR is equal 12 centimeters. PR is equal to 12 centimeters. Can you find easily QR now? Yes or no? We can find it QR or not? Yes. How can you use? Now we can use here sin 60 value. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Yes or no? Yes, you can write it. Therefore, sin P. That means here sin 60. Sin 60 means you can write here QR by PR. Yes or no? QR by PR. See here. Sin 60 value is how much? Root 3 by 2. Yes or no? Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. QR is equal to how much? You need to find here QR by PR value is how much? PR value. PR is 12 only. You can write here 12. That means you can write here. We need to find here QR so that you can transpose 12 to LHS. That means can I write here QR is equal to root 3 by 2 into 12. Yes or no? It is the denominator 12. If you am transposing to LHS, it will become numerator. So that I am writing here QR is equal root 3 by 2 into 12. That means you can write here 2 1 2 6. Is it possible to simplify or not? Yes. So that you can write here root 3 into 6. You can write here 6 root 3 centimeters. QR is equal to how much? 6 root 3 centimeters. So that you can write here final answer. Therefore, PR is equal to 12 centimeters and QR is equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. In that question they are asking this only. Just you can find the lengths of PR and QR. This is your solution. See here question number 6. In triangle XYZ, right angle is at y. Yz is equal to small x and xz is equal to x. Then determine angle yxz and angle yzx. Once again read the question. See, in triangle xyz, it is a right angle at where y. See here, you can consider here y at right angle. See, it is equal to 90 degrees at y. That means you can see here x, y, z. You can consider here x, y, z. See, yz is equal to small x. Yz means it is the small x. You can consider here small x. Xz is equal to x. Xz is equal to how much? 2x. Then determine angle yxz. That means what is the middle one here? X or not? That means yxz means you can find out the degree. It is, that means angle x is equal to how much? Angle x and angle yzx. That means you can find here angle z. How can you find? Just you can assume. See here, we need to find here the angles at x and z. You know sine, cos, tan. Which ratio we can apply to get these values? See, first of all I am writing, see, given that in triangle xyz, angle y is equal to 90 degrees. Yes or no? Right angle is at y means it is angle y is equal to 90. See, and also yz is equal to small x and xz is equal to x. You need to find here angle yxz. See here, if you are taking here sine or cos or tan formula. See, if you are taking tan formula, you need to check opposite and adjacent values, but you don't know adjacent value, so don't take tan formula. See, if I am taking cos, if I am taking cos x, you need to find here adjacent by hypotenuse, but you don't know adjacent also, so that you can consider here sin x. See here, sin x. What is the formula of sin x? See here, sin x formula will be opposite side by hypotenuse or not? Opposite by hypotenuse. That means you can see here yz by xz. Yz by xz. See here, yz value is how much? X only. By xz value is how much? 2x. Yes or no? Just you can substitute and you can simplify. See here, x cancel. That means you are getting is how much? 1 by 2. Yes or no? Sin x is equal to how much? 1 by 2. See here, in sine ratios, in sine angles, at which value that is equal to 1 by 2. See here, sine 0 is how much? 0. Sine 30 is how much? 1 by 2 or not? Yes or no? Sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So that you can write here implies. You can take here x is equal to 30 degrees. Yes or no? X is equal to 30 means you can consider here y, x, z. Therefore, angle y, x, z is equal to 30 degrees. You need to remember all the values sine, cos, tan. Then only we can find here x is equal to 30. Otherwise, we can't do anything. Yes or no? If you know 1 by 2 is equal to sine 30, then only you can compare x is equal to 30. Yes or no? If you want, you can write here one more step here sine 30. Sine 30. See here, sine x is equal to sine x is equal to sine 30 means you can compare x is equal to 30 or not? Yes. Here I written directly. Why? Because you know all the values. See here, angle y, x, z is equal to 30. In the similar way, you need to find here next one here, angle y, z, x. See here, z. If I am taking for this purpose also, sin z, if you are taking sin z, are you know x value? We don't know the x value, xy value. So that don't take sine ratio. See, if I'm taking cos ratio, see, cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Yes or no? Adjacent by hypotenuse means the values are available, both the values. Yes or no? So that you can take here cos z only, cos z. See here from triangle x, y, z, cos z is equal to, what is the adjacent? Yz by xz. Yz by xz. See here, cos z is equal to cos z is equal to yz value is how much? X. Xz to x. You can write here x by 2x. X cancel. You are getting is how much? Cos z is equal to 1 by 2. But you know that 1 by 2 value will be equal to which degrees? 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees in cos only. See here in cos, just you can remember here what is the value of 1 by 2. See here cos of it is equal to cos 60 degrees only. Yes or no? Cos 60 is equal to how much? 1 by 2. Therefore, you can consider here how much? Z is equal to 60 degrees. Z means see here angle YZX. You can write here angle YZX is equal to 60 degrees. Angle YZ is x is equal to 60 degrees. This is your solution. See another question. Question number 7. It is right to say that sin of a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. Justify your answer. See here, given that we need to check here. See, sin of a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b. That means in this equation we need to check is LHS is equal to RHS or not. We need to verify. See, for example, I will take here sin A value will be 30. Here B value as 60 degrees. Just you can take here. See, A is equal 30 degrees. B is equal 60. Here also 30, 60. Our assumption only. See, for example, if you want to take C, A is equal 0, B is equal 90 also. Your wish. A is equal 0, B is equal 90. But first of all, I am here checking LHS. LHS is equal to, you can say here, let A is equal 30 degrees, B is equal 60 degrees. You can take here. See, LHS is equal sin of A plus B. That means here sin of 30 degrees plus 60 degrees. That means here sin of 90 degrees. 30 plus 60 is how much? 90. Sin 90 value is equal to how much? You know sin 90 is equal to 1. Yes or no? It is equal to 1. Okay. Next you can find here RHS. See here right hand side is equal to sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B. See here sin A. That means you can see here sin 30. Sin 30 plus sin 60. See here sin 30 value is how much? 1 by 2 only. Plus sin 60 value is how much? Root 3 by 2. Both are like fractions. You can add numerator directly. See here 1 plus root 3 by 2. Once you can observe here, LHS value is 1. RHS value is 1 plus root 3 by 2. Both are equal or not? Is it equal? It's not equal. So that you can write here. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, you can write here sin of A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. Yes or no? Yes, they have mentioned in the question. See here, it is right to say that, so that You can write here, it's, that means here the given equation is not true. Yes or no? It is not true. This is your solution. You know that formulas here. Sin of a plus b means you have learned in the previous problem. Sin of a plus b is equal sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Yes or no? You need to remember all the formulas. So that this is your solution. We have completed 11.2 exercise. Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete exercise videos in our class 10th maths playlist videos.